Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an interesting topic that many music lovers would appreciate. Have you ever wondered if you could earn money by just listening to songs? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share some legitimate ways you can potentially make money while enjoying your favorite tunes. So let's get started. 1. Hit Predictor. Hit Predictor is an engaging platform that rewards music enthusiasts for their passion. By listening to songs and providing valuable feedback, users can earn rewards and even cash. It's a music lover's dream come true, where your opinion matters and is appreciated. The platform offers a unique opportunity to discover new music while contributing to the industry's growth. Whether you're a casual listener or a dedicated music aficionado, Hit Predictor offers a fun and interactive way to make money doing what you love. With its user-friendly interface and a wide range of music genres to explore, Hit Predictor invites you to join its community and turn your passion for music into a rewarding experience. 2. Music X-Ray. Music X-Ray is a platform that allows music enthusiasts to earn money by simply listening to songs. It offers an innovative way for users to discover new music while getting compensated for their time and opinion. Musicians and record labels submit their tracks to Music X-Ray for feedback, and users provide valuable insights through song reviews. In return, Music X-Ray pays users a small fee for each song they listen to and review. It's a win-win situation, as artists receive feedback and listeners can earn some extra cash while enjoying music. Music X-Ray is an exciting platform for music lovers looking to monetize their passion for discovering new tunes. 3. Radio Earn. Radio Earn is an innovative platform that rewards users for simply listening to songs online. It offers a unique and easy way to earn money while enjoying your favorite tunes. By tuning into their curated radio stations and engaging with the music, users accumulate points, which can then be converted into cash or gift cards. Radio Earn provides a seamless and enjoyable experience, allowing music enthusiasts to passively earn without any additional effort. Whether you're at work, at home, or on the go, Radio Earn offers a convenient way to turn your passion for music into a source of extra income. Join the community and start earning as you listen. 4. Current Rewards. Current Rewards is a cutting-edge platform that revolutionizes the way music enthusiasts engage with their favorite tunes. With the tagline, "Get paid to listen," Current Rewards offers a unique opportunity for users to earn real cash simply by enjoying music. By seamlessly integrating with popular streaming services, the app allows users to accumulate points for every song they listen to. These points can then be converted into tangible rewards, creating an innovative avenue for music lovers to monetize their passion. The platform supports a diverse range of music genres, ensuring that users can explore and enjoy an extensive library while earning rewards. Current Rewards not only transforms the listening experience, but also empowers users to turn their love for music into a rewarding endeavor. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, Current Rewards stands at the forefront, bridging the gap between entertainment and income generation, making the act of listening to music not only enjoyable but financially rewarding. 5. Earnably. Earnably is an innovative platform that caters to music enthusiasts, offering a unique opportunity to monetize their passion for tunes. Unlike traditional ways of earning, Earnably stands out by providing users with the chance to get paid for simply listening to songs. This user-friendly platform not only rewards individuals for their musical inclinations, but also transforms the act of listening into a lucrative endeavor. The process is seamless. Users can explore a diverse range of music while accumulating earnings on Earnably. This ingenious concept redefines the relationship between music consumption and financial gain, making it an appealing option for those who find joy in discovering new melodies. As users immerse themselves in their favorite tracks, Earnably ensures that they are not just feeding their musical appetite, but also fueling their income streams. It's a win-win situation, where passion meets profit, making Earnably a noteworthy platform for individuals looking to turn their love for music into a rewarding experience. 6. Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is an innovative platform that offers music enthusiasts a unique opportunity to monetize their love for tunes. By simply listening to songs, users can earn money and contribute valuable feedback to emerging artists. The process is straightforward. Users sign up, listen to a variety of tracks across genres, and share their honest opinions through reviews. The platform serves as a bridge between aspiring musicians seeking constructive criticism and listeners looking to make a few bucks while enjoying new music. Slice the Pie's payment model rewards users for the quality and depth of their reviews, encouraging thoughtful engagement with the songs. It not only provides an avenue for users to discover fresh talent, but also empowers artists with genuine insights into their work. Whether you're a music aficionado looking for an extra income stream or an artist eager to receive authentic feedback, Slice the Pie stands as a promising intersection of passion and financial opportunity in the realm of music appreciation. Thanks for joining us on this musical exploration today. If you've ever dreamt of turning your passion for music into a side hustle, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we uncover some exciting opportunities to earn while immersing yourself in the world of melodies. Until next time, keep the music playing and the cash flowing. See you in the next video.